I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Capcut and creating a project so you can work immediately. Import the video or audio into the media bin and drag it to the timeline. This places the content where transcription tools can access it. Make sure the clip's audio is clear and in the language you want. Background noise reduces accuracy. Once the asset is ready, tap the clip to reveal editing options so you can move to auto-transcription without delay. You'll select the clip and choose auto-subtitle or transcribe from tools to generate captions automatically. Wait for Capcut to process, then review the transcript line by line, correct misheard words and adjust timestamps so each subtitle matches spoken pacing. Use split and merge to fix long sentences and modify style settings, font, size, color, and position so text stays readable against your footage. Once edits are complete, play the clip. You'll finish by choosing export settings. Burn subtitles into the video or export N, SRT/VTT for later use. If captions are poorly aligned or words remain wrong, make sure audio quality is improved, remove noise, increase volume, or re-record the segment, then rerun transcription. If issues persist, export the audio and run it through a dedicated ASR service, then import corrected subtitle files. One tip: clear app cache and restart Capcut if transcription stalls or crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.